The exclusive link cluster is a convenient way of linking a set of buttons together in a mutually exclusive coding relationship. What do we mean by this? What we are saying is that of this group of buttons, only one can be active at any one time. Here we have 4 event buttons, each named to represent a zone on a field. I'll select Zone 1 and create a link cluster called Field. I'm also going to activate the Pass Last Code as Tag tick box, which I shall explain when we're in code mode. We then add the other buttons to the exclusive link cluster by highlighting each one and choosing the cluster name to add to them. Now we enter code mode. I will start with Zone 1, then click Zone 2. You will notice that Zone 1 ended as soon as I activated Zone 2, and likewise, as soon as I activate Zone 3, Zone 2 will deactivate or end, and so on. I can click any of these buttons, and because only one can be active at any one time, any of them which is active when another button in that cluster is activated will automatically deactivate. The great benefit of this feature is that it saves the coder from having to start Zone 1, then stop Zone 1 before starting Zone 2, then stop Zone 2 before starting Zone 3, etc. It really cuts down on the number of clicks required during coding. The second behaviour you're seeing in the coding history here is the Pass Last Code as Tag. You can see that the last button I clicked on was Zone 1, and in the tags displayed is listed Zone 4, which was the active button immediately before I clicked Zone 1. So now if I activate Zone 2, you will see that the tag associated with this event is Zone 1, the active button immediately preceding it. This is handy information to have for your subsequent analysis, where you can discover what was the last button clicked, especially if you're doing something with parsing or for object tracking, where you could tell where the object came from.